Troubleshooting method for burning oil and oil gas separator disassembly and assembly tutorial. Troubleshooting methods for burning oil. 1. Check whether there is leakage outside the engine to rule out that the oil reduction is not caused by external leakage. 2. Check the connection pipe between oil gas separator and intake manifold. If there is obvious oil flow, it proves that the oil gas separator has lost its due function or completely failed and needs to be replaced in time. 3. Damaged oil gas separator should make noticeable noise. Block the vent hole of the oil gas separator. If the noise disappears or reduces, it can be preliminarily judged that the internal diaphragm of the oil gas separator is damaged. 4. Use a vacuum negative pressure detector to test the crankcase ventilation pressure value. If it remarkably exceeds the limit, it is likely that the oil gas separator is damaged. Troubleshooting methods for oil gas separator. 1. High oil consumption without external leakage. 2. Abnormal sound during idling or driving. 3. A diagnostic scanner should be used when the engine fault light is on. 4. A fault code for cylinder bank mixture being too lean is displayed. The above phenomenon indicates that the oil gas separator has failed and a new one should be replaced. Since the OE is not designed with a condenser and a pressure relief valve, the oil gas separation is not thorough. In order to solve this problem, an impactor and a pressure relief valve were added with a Vica STO oil gas separator, which increases the oil gas separation efficiency by 50% and reduces the oil return rate by 90%. Furthermore, the design of a 4-stage impactor ensures a more thorough oil gas separation. The diameter of the oil leakage hole is increased from 2.2 mm to 3 mm, which is not easy to be blocked. The original diaphragm is made of silicone, while the Vica diaphragm is made of aramid and fluorosilicone, which doubles the service life. Vica STO oil gas separator with 4 years or 100,000 km warranty, superior to OE. Oil gas separator disassembly and assembly tutorial. 1. Disassemble related parts and pipelines connected to the oil gas separator. 2. Unscrew the fixing bolts to remove the oil gas separator assembly. Clean the joint and surface and install a new one. 3. A vacuum negative pressure detector should be used to verify the crankcase ventilation pressure value after installation. 4. Check the actual value of the mixture with a diagnostic scanner to ensure the value is within the normal range and eliminate the fault code.